everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So our today's video is a brain activity. But before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notification. This video is in both languages, Hindi and English. If you want to watch in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और पूरे वीडियो जो है वो आप हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, राइट? So now let's get started and see how to do this activity. So here, as you could see, I have mentioned some numbers, and above the number there are some specific colors which represent the numbers below them, right? Like 3 green, 4 represents blue, 5 represents orange, and 6 represents white, right? After that, as you could see downside, there are some big circles of the same color. These circles are of same color as in the above row, right? So now what we are supposed to do, using a marker, we will write an equation here. I have secured the complete activity using a transparent tape here so that child is not able to spoil this easily. Moreover, whenever I write an equation here, I can easily rub it and can use it again and again, right? So for example, if I write an equation here, for example, first I write 6, that goes to 5, then 4, right? And then it's 1, and then it's 2 and 3, right? So child just have to go as per the equation here. Child first would see that 6th number represent white color, so child would put the marker on the white color. Then 5 represent orange, then 4 represent blue. So as per the number and the color, child would go with the marker. So 1 represents yellow, then 2 represents red, and 3 represents green here, right? Like this, child is supposed to complete this activity. We can write as many as equations here, and using a cloth we can easily rub it and can use it again, right? So this is a beautiful activity to reuse again and again. So if I write another equation here, first 3, then it goes to 6, then it goes to 5, then it goes to 2, then the next one I will write here 1, and then 4, right? So child have to go as per this equation. So first child would find that number 3 represents green color, which is here. Then 6 represent white color, like this. Then 5 represent orange color. Then number 2 represents red color, so child would go to the red color here. Then again that 1 represents yellow color, and the number 4 represents blue color. So like this, child would go to 4 color, and this way he will complete this equation. So this is a perfect activity for the concentration of the child, for the hand and eye coordination, and wonderful activity for the coding purpose, right? So if you find this video useful, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section for sure that how it went when you did it with your child. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.